I have created this in just 1 minute. Are you ready to learn how you can create these images using free AI art generators just using text? An amazing part is that this tool is free. After completely watching this video, you can also create AI-generated images for yourself. Let me tell you about the tool first. The tool I am going to use is Ideogram. You can access this by simply typing the website URL. Sign up using Google, choose your account. It will ask you to agree terms of service and privacy policy, choose username, and click Complete Registration. It will lead you to a simple interface where you can create awesome images like other fellow members simply using textual prompts. Start typing keywords that describe your image. Click Generate. I use this prompt for this image. I generated this image using this prompt. It will create 3 images for you in no time. Click on the generated image and download it without any watermark.